Panoorin ang successful at star-studded red carpet premiere night ng pelikula nila Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo na Hello Love Again na ginanap kagabi sa Mega Mall, kung saan naging emosyonal at naiyak ang Kat Den sa suportang ipinakita ng kanilang mga fans at mga kaibigang celebrity.
Salamat po unang-una sa Diyos that we are here gathered to witness the very first screening of Hello Love Again. And maraming salamat, 900 cinemas all over the world! This movie po is galing sa mga puso namin para sa inyo. Isa lang ang aming dasal. Sana'y magustuhan niyo. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Of course, to our family and friends. And of course, we would like to thank Jimmy Pictures, of course, Miss Annette Roson, and of course, to Miss Joy Marcelo. Thank you so much for making this film possible. Also to Star Cinema, kila Sir Carlo Katigbak, Tita Cory Villanes, and sino pa ba? To Ate Carmen, of course, thank you so much na nandito po ngayon, and of course to all of our friends in the business po, and to all our fans who's here tonight. We're very excited for you guys to see the film. Ito na po yung pinaghirapan namin ng ilang buwan during the beginning of 2024, and right now makikita niyo po muli ang kwento ni Joy and Ethan. So I hope you guys will enjoy the film as much as you guys are gonna be falling in love with the characters. I hope that after the film po, ma-inspire pa rin tayong mabuhay and to do good things to the people around us after this film. So maraming salamat po, and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
All the fans, to our family and friends in the industry, to our bosses, lahat na nandito to show your support. Maraming salamat. It means the world to us. Actually, kinakabahan po ako ilang araw na, and kanina gumising ako, sobrang kinakabahan. But then after siguro makita lahat, mas excitement yung nafe-feel ko ngayon. Because like what Kathy said, ang mapapangako lang namin sa inyo, sa pelikulang to, puso ibibigay namin. So I hope after you watch this film, yun yung maramdaman nyo. Hindi lang kay Joy at kay Ethan, pero sa buong pelikula. Lahat na nangyayari ngayon, sobra po kami overwhelmed sa support na binibigay nyo. And we all did our part. So ngayon, we lift everything to Him. So let's all pray for the movie. We need all the prayers. We need all the support. Thank you for being here sa lahat ng mga kapuso, kapamilya, lahat nagsama-sama for tonight. And please enjoy the movie. Thank you.